friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me. So today we are going to talk about the next trait of success, that is time management. Time is money. Time is the new currency of the present civilization. Most of the time you will find that we waste our precious time in making air castles only. We keep on thinking and thinking only, but we don't take actions. We keep on thinking about past or keep on dreaming about future, and irony is that we do all these activities in our present. We don't know the art of prioritization. In fact, nobody told us about priority setting and its importance. Either we keep on wasting that useful time in useless activities, like checking mails again and again, looking at your phone, checking after every 10 to 15 seconds, watching TV, gossiping, etc. These activities are absolutely of no use, but we keep on wasting our most precious moment of our life, called present. Second thing is that we keep on doing procrastination of our work. Due to procrastination, we postpone our important task to urgent tasks arising at the moment. In fact, it is the most in most of the cases urgency occurs due to the doing not doing important tasks earlier. The emergency creates stress and hence productivity goes down. To overcome this problem, we should learn the art of prioritization. The easiest way to prioritize your work is to make to-do list. While making to-do list, we should know which activity is to be taken first. Once the to-do list is ready, we should not make any changes in the list. Just start doing the task serial wise and complete the to-do list. In case if you miss any task today, make sure that work is going to be the first thing to be done tomorrow. Means it is going to be the first point of tomorrow's to-do list. The moment you make a to-do list, we get a clarity and we can organize our day as well. Ultimately, we have only 24 hours in a day to make our dreams come true. Hence, we have to use our time wisely. Once you miss a day or an hour or a minute or a second, you are not going to get this time back in your lifetime. You make the best utilization of each and every second of your valuable time credited to you. If you want to start any work, the best time to start that work is now. So, without wasting even a single minute, just keep on doing the work, focusing on your work, and keep your goal in your mind. Thank you, friends. This was the 9th trait of success, time management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.